Alright, what's up, y'all? Got a exciting package in the mail. Some new door handles, because we got the good old sticky door handle problem. Super common on this generation of car. I actually got the car like this. The dealership said they would fix it. I scheduled an appointment to get it fixed. I pull up. Like Don Tolliver. I can get this thing open. I think this is it. Yeah. I ordered a bunch. I got all the stuff coming for the E36 clutch, so I'm in all kinds of random packages right now. But yeah, I pull up to a dealership, have an appointment. I show up and they're like, "Oh yeah, well the service manager is sick, so we're like an hour behind schedule." So you're telling me I made an appointment, now I gotta sit here for an hour. I was like, how long do you think it'll take? It's probably like a couple hours. So you're telling me I'm gonna sit here for like 5 hours so you can fix my door handle. It's ridiculous. So, just gonna fix it myself. Passenger one is fine, so we literally just gotta fix this driver's side one. I'm pretty sure these just go on top. Hopefully it fits okay, because it's kind of like uneven the way it's coming off. I don't know what this is. It's double-sided tape, I guess. I also ordered the vertical acceleration sensor, so we should get rid of all of our freaking whatever it's not a dash light, the warnings, malfunctions. What the heck? I didn't even know this was part of it. Huh. I just meant to order the door handles, but I guess we could place the center part too. It is faded. Looks about the same. Maybe it looks a little less nice, but it's also not faded, so I guess we'll replace that as well. But how the frick do we install these bad boys? Make sure I grab the right side. It's like no tape on this one, so I don't know if they just kind of pop in there or what. No. Alright, video over. Catch y'all later. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, that's pretty freaking sick. I can just close the door like a regular person. I used to have to close it like this. That was a little too easy. I guess I can try and pull out the centerpiece. A little bit nervous about that. So I think this is the OEM one. So probably would prefer to not damage it. I don't even know if I want to replace it or not. Yeah, that was way too easy. I thought I was gonna have to like pull the old one off. That's freaking sick. It's like in there good too. Can't even yank it out. It's too easy, bro. Man, that's too easy. Oh, maybe this just goes on top too. I don't know if I want to put this now. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. You probably can't even see. It's like this little. Just smack the side skirt over and over. Let me put it on the other side. Alright, got y'all in the passenger seat with me. So this is the new one. I don't know if I want to do it or not. So this part's all faded. It kind of looks like shit. With this forward, you can't even tell, but it fucking rattles if I leave it forward, which is so obnoxious. I leave it back. I'm guessing this just goes on top. Since the double-sided taping, it actually fits over the top pretty nice. Do we sacrifice the actual carbon fiber for non-fadedness, or leave the actual carbon fiber for fadedness? And this does look better. I use these damn Armor All wipes to clean the interior, and they fucking like made everything kind of greasy. It's kind of obnoxious. I don't know. This one does look much nicer, but it's also just clean. I feel like that is the main thing making it look nicer. To be looking mad glossy though.